need to travel 8.5 kilometers to.
जी उंगा फ्लैट नंबर சொல்லுங்க.
Hi. Look at the view. Say hi.
Hi. Hi sir. Hi.
So maybe at 8 o'clock or like 7:40, 7:50 we will reach there. Hopefully it doesn't rain. The clouds are, it's so cloudy here. It's 7:45, so it was 15 minutes from there. It's 7 kilometers. Yeah, near this temple where we'll be shooting today. Hello. Today we are going for some yoga short film shoot. This is a test shoot. We have our director Divakar here and the associate director here.
Hi.
Okay. And now what's the time?
6:19 I guess.
And now it's 6:19. We are planning to finish it by 10, right?
Maybe around 12. Maybe around 12.
Around 12. So let's see.
Or halfway I'll get down, I will ask him to come.
Okay. See, now the director is sacrificing and coming in bus.
Okay, let's meet then.
I'm going with Chanakya. Bye bro. Okay, cool. We need to travel 8.5 kilometers to DOP's apartment. So we are shooting there because the climate is not good, as you can see. It's a late night shoot. So you can't get that climate. Today is Sunday. So finally we have reached the apartment at the time of 7. Now I'll be the again. So we left there at 6:30. Maybe 6:30. We have a flyover is on. We took flyover, so it was beneficial. So in 500 meters only now reach after the way apartment now. Let's see. Side route. ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ SK ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ SK Astor. So this is the place we are going to practice. ರೀಚ್ ಆದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಹೆವಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇನೋ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ರೀಚ್ ದ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್. ನಾವು ಚಾಣಕ್ಯ ಅವ್ರು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
जी उंगा फ्लैट नंबर சொல்லுங்க. நான் உங்க பேஸ்மெண்ட்ல இருக்கேன்.
Director has arrived. Hi. So the test shoot, right? So we are shooting in the real location or here?
Yeah, here.
Basement, huh?
Basement.
There.
ये बनना नहीं मानो. Yeah, मोहन.
So look at the view. I'm not visible, but the location is visible.
அதே மாதிரி தான் பார்க்குறேன். என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க இதெல்லாம்?
Say hi.
Hi. Hi. Hi சொல்லு. Hi சொல்லு. Hi சொல்லு. Hi. Hi சொல்லு. அதுக்கு என்ன நான் ground floor ஓட்டணும். Bye.
So now now we are going to the original location where we will be shooting the short film for the test shoot. So in order to know what is the lighting, of the location. So we have Bhuvan with us. He is the DOP. It's like 7 kilometers from here. So we planned to take it in Bhuvan's apartment, but still the light was there. The camera had that light sensitivity, but we needed to see how it looks in the real location. So yeah. How are you feeling?
Yeah, feeling good.
Are you excited for the shoot?
Yeah.
Cool. So like previous week we had a rehearsals. Now we are going back to check the technical stuff, like how it looks in the camera, what is the lighting, so that we can improvise. Do we need extra lights or not? Or like or does the costumes look good on the lighting? Do we need to change the color of the costume? So a lot of things. So right now it's like 7:30. So we left we at 6:30. We reached at 7:15. Right now it's 7:30. 15 minutes we checked there. Right now we are jumping into location. So maybe at 8 o'clock or like 7:40, 7:50 we will reach there. And after that, from 8 to 10, we will do the test shoot. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It's so cloudy here. If it's not rain, then yeah, we will finish all the shots which we have planned. And then it will be useful for us to edit and see how it looks in the color grade, DI, and a lot of things it will help. Huh? I didn't understand.
The PC. You guys purchased it. Premier and Davis. But Ryzen needed power.
Bhuvanesh and I had a solid discussion on the PC Build vlog. Bhuvanesh is a subscriber of our channel and he asked about the PC Build vlog we did, especially about whether the Intel or AMD is better choice. Sadly, due to the mic issues, the audio wasn't clear. Let us know if you guys need a vlog separately on that.
So finally we are in the location. So what's the time?
7:45.
It's 7:45. So it was 15 minutes from there. It's 7 kilometers. We are near this temple where we will be shooting today. Yeah, these are the lights we'll be using. And maybe at 10 o'clock we'll wind up and we'll see how the shoot goes on. So still the director and the other crew members has to arrive. Me and the DOP we have arrived here and the DOP has already started working. So how are you feeling?
Confused.
Yeah,
Not good right now.
okay.
I think he went there.
No. Flickering. I don't know what. Oh, ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ thunder effect.
Ghost standing there.
Has lost the location. Feeling so much alive. Coming back from the spooky road. Bro, that's why I'm using hat.